Top 5 Crypto Passive Income Strategies for 2025. Hello friends! Welcome back to Hollywood Highlights, the channel where we break down real online earning strategies so you can start building wealth today. If you're new here, make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because we've got new videos coming out every single week on all things crypto, real estate, and online business. You do not want to miss out. And today, we're diving into the world of passive income with crypto. That's right, you don't need to be glued to the charts 24/7 to make your crypto work for you. We're talking about generating consistent returns without actively trading. So let's jump right into the top 5 ways you can build passive income with crypto in 2025. The first strategy on our list is crypto staking, and it's one of the easiest ways to dip your toes into the world of passive income with crypto. Think of it like earning interest on a savings account, but instead of a bank, it's a blockchain network. Essentially, you lock up or stake your cryptocurrency. This could be anything from Ethereum to Cardano to Solana, and by doing so, you're helping to secure the network and validate transactions. In exchange for your contribution, you earn rewards paid out in the cryptocurrency you staked. Now, the beauty of staking is that it's incredibly low effort. There are tons of platforms out there like Lido, Binance, and Kraken that make it incredibly easy to stake your crypto. You literally just deposit your coins and start earning. It's perfect for long-term holders who believe in the future of these cryptocurrencies. Now, if you're a little bit more familiar with the world of decentralized finance or DeFi, then yield farming might be right up your alley. It's a more advanced strategy, but it offers the potential for much higher returns. Here's how it works. You provide liquidity, meaning you lend your crypto assets, to platforms like Uniswap or PancakeSwap. These platforms are like decentralized exchanges where users can swap one cryptocurrency for another. By providing liquidity, you're essentially acting as a market maker, allowing these trades to happen smoothly. And in return for your service, you earn a share of the trading fees generated by the platform. Plus, many platforms sweeten the deal with bonus tokens, further boosting your returns. Now, keep in mind, yield farming does come with risks. But with the right research and a solid strategy, it can be an incredibly lucrative way to earn passive income with your crypto. Chapter 3. Have you ever wanted to be your own bank? Well, with crypto lending, you can lend out your crypto assets to borrowers and earn interest on your holdings. It's like putting your money to work for you, except instead of dealing with traditional financial institutions, you're using decentralized platforms. Platforms like Aave, Compound, and Nexo allow you to deposit your crypto and earn a passive income. Borrowers then take out loans using your crypto as collateral, and they pay interest on those loans. It's a win-win situation. You earn interest on your idle crypto, and borrowers get access to the liquidity they need. And the best part is, you don't have to lift a finger. Once you've deposited your crypto, it's just a matter of sitting back and watching your balance grow. It's that simple. Chapter 4. Now I know what some of you are thinking. Crypto is so volatile. I don't want to risk my hard-earned money, and you know what? That's totally fair. But what if I told you there's a way to earn passive income in the crypto world without exposing yourself to the wild price swings? Enter stablecoins. These are cryptocurrencies that are pegged to the value of a stable asset like the US dollar. So instead of buying something like Bitcoin, which can fluctuate wildly in price, you can buy stablecoins like USDT, USDC, or DAI. And the really cool part is that there are platforms out there that allow you to deposit your stablecoins and earn a fixed interest rate. We're talking anywhere from 5 to 10% per year, which is significantly higher than what you'd get from a traditional savings account. Chapter 5. All right, for the final strategy on our list, we're stepping it up a notch. If you're a bit more tech-savvy and have some hardware to spare, running a node or validator can be an incredibly rewarding way to earn passive income with crypto. Now, I know it sounds complicated, but bear with me. Essentially, a node is a computer that runs the blockchain software and helps to validate transactions. By running a node, you're directly contributing to the security and decentralization of the network. And many blockchain projects like Ethereum 2.0, Polkadot, and Avalanche actually incentivize users to run nodes by offering rewards in the form of cryptocurrency. It's like getting paid to support the network. Now, this strategy does require a bit more technical knowledge and investment, but the rewards can be significant, especially if you believe in the long-term potential of these projects. So there you have it, friends. 5 solid strategies for earning passive income with crypto in 2025. You don't need to be glued to the charts, constantly trading to make your crypto work for you. Remember, passive income is all about putting your money to work for you, smartly and securely. And with the right strategy, you can sit back, relax, and watch your crypto portfolio grow. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments which passive income strategy you're most excited to try, and don't forget to subscribe to Hollywood Highlights for more wealth-building tips and strategies. Until next time.